So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a simple video using free AI tools. So first what we are going to do is see what are the different tools that we are going to use. So the first tool we will be using is chatgpt for the script, okay, and two will be using Level Labs for voice recording, okay. And then we'll use Leonardo AI for video and image generation. And then fourth we will be using pixverse. This is again for video. I'll tell you guys why later. Like this and Leonardo AI, they are similar. So yeah, and then lastly we'll use capcut video editor to just edit and format the video, okay. And these are the 5 tools we'll use, and we'll just make a short video very quickly. So let's get started. First we'll use chatgpt. So like this is the script. I want the story of Ritesh Agrawal from stories to success. So I just got a random title, and then I just went to chatgpt and write this, and then write it short. Because we are writing it in short, write it in short and simple language for YouTube shorts, okay. So yeah, they have provided me the script, so I will just copy this script and then I'll just paste it in the Word file, and then I will edit it to whatever I like there can be some other typos and other things, so I have already edited it, as you can see. After that we will go to Level Labs, okay. Level Labs is a free tool where we can record our AI audio, okay. So yeah, we have copied and pasted it here. Then we'll click on generate speech, and then after the speech is generated, you can just check it out here, like just click it on and
of Ritesh
Agrawal, and you can change the voice from here as well. Whatever voice you want, you can just check it out, okay. This is probably like paid one, okay. So whatever, you can just check out the audios, like this Jessica.
If you spend your whole life,
okay, and you can just use their voice also. First just select whose voice you like the most, and then after that click on generate regenerate speech, and then after that you can just click on download, okay. As I've already downloaded the speech, okay, so I'll not download it, okay. You guys have to click this. After we have downloaded the audio, we have the script now, and okay, where is it? Okay, so we have this. We'll just highlight it red, okay. We'll just make it red color. We have this now, and next is image and video and image generation. First, so guys, in order to generate image, we need to go to Leonardo AI. Just search it on Google, like this is the link. And basically we need prompts is like the description like of the image, like a young man with a backpack, like for example a girl who is looking pretty, who has a building on the background. So we need to write all the prompts one by one, and that is kind of a very big task. So before only I had given the story to it, and I had said it like make the story shorter. So now look at what I have written in ChatGPT. Based on the above story, generate 10 image prompts to generate images from Leonardo AI. The prompt should have just enough details, okay. So look, it just generated me 10 prompts. Now I will just take each of these prompts and I'll just paste it in Leonardo AI. So here we'll go on image creation. And in image creation there is this box where there we will paste the prompt. First prompt, generate. We'll click on generate. Yes, I have just reset to default options because I had done different options. You guys don't need to do that. And this number of images also you cannot select. And this dimension, like 16:9 is for like desktop. I'll do it 9:16 because for short we need it in the size of 9:16. Okay, like mobile format. Okay, mobile format. And then there is legacy mode. So we'll paste one and then we will create on generate. Okay, in legacy mode also we need to again change the image dimensions because it did reset, and we will wait. Okay, now we just click the images and we just check which images we like. We will just have to select one. Okay, this one. Okay, I like this one, so I'll just download this image. Now we just copy paste another prompt. Now we'll go to legacy mode because we want the same face of the person, because we don't want different Ritesh Agrawal looking. So we'll just go to there. Yes, just follow the step and we'll just upload that same image which we just now generated, which we just want. Yeah, the same guy. We'll put it, we can put as many images like to guide that okay this is the person. Like you can just put your own photo as well, like okay I want my own face, number one, number two, number three. Then they will just generate similar faces. Okay, and we have other options also. Okay, I pasted another prompt and then generate. Then we again go to generation history where the next image will be generated. Okay, I just turned off the legacy mode and I'm like image to image. And in image to image also I uploaded, I'm uploading that same image. And yes, I'm writing a prompt. You can do this also, like to generate similar image, have the same faces. Okay, like if your that previous legacy mode does not work, turn off the legacy mode and then just image to image and yeah, paste your prompt and then click on generate. Now you might say the image does not look same because it is a boy, Ritesh Agrawal when he was young, and Ritesh Agrawal like when the first photo was when he was in his 20s. So yes, this is the image. The guy looks a bit similar or somehow. Okay, and we'll just download the image, any image that we like, and then we'll paste all other prompts as well and keep generating various images. So remember I have asked them just to generate 10 prompts, but I guess it will not be enough. So ask them to generate 15 prompts in chatgpt, or you can just write your own prompts. It will take time, but I think it will be better, right? And in next video I'll teach you guys, like if anyone requests me, then I'll teach you guys how to write prompts well as well. Okay, yeah, so this is the next image. We can even like improve prompt, like we have just written a small and look, Leonardo AI will itself elaborate the prompt. So we have such a long prompt. Sometimes the image becomes better when we like improve the prompt, and sometimes it is the results are not much good. After we have created the images, now we can create the videos from this motion section. So select the images, select the same images. We can do it from like that your generation recent, or like if you have downloaded. So yeah, I'll just go with the downloads because I've selected them. So let's see, these are my downloads. So this is the first one, so I clicked on it, and yeah, generate. So in image creation, the generations are, it is loading. So okay, we have the image, like the video here. This totally not what I expected. Okay, look at this. This is so bad. Oh my god. Let's generate it again, okay? OMG. Like, what am I supposed to do? It was this one, yeah. Okay, so guys, look at this. Yes, this generation is fine. The second generation is somehow fine, not perfect, but okay, we can use this. So similarly, we will just generate other videos as well. So I'll get back to you after I've generated all the motions. Like, yeah, if once the video is not good, let us try it twice, okay? So there's one other important thing that I did not tell you guys, that is that the video generation in Leonardo AI is only paid, like you have to pay $12. So instead what we can do is we can generate free videos from the images that we generated in Leonardo AI using pixverse. So just go to pixverse.ai. The problem will only be that pixverse will be written in it, but it's okay, like if you just want to do things for free. So we'll go to pixverse AI, and here you can just select the image. I have already selected the image, and then we'll be like, you can write anything here. Here we have even like writing option, create a video, okay, and then we'll just click on create. So in free version of Leonardo AI, we can basically create around 10 images a day. Yeah, 10 images a day. But like if you buy it, then yeah, you can create a lot of images. And in this Pixverse, we can see that I guess we can create 2-3 videos a day for free. I guess, right? 2 or 3 videos. So yeah, I guess if you don't have to make much videos, that will be enough. And yeah, you can even use effects in CapCut. You can even use effects like zoom in effect or zoom out effect, and you can generate images. Yeah. So let us look at this image. Okay, it's kind of a weird image, but I think the video, I mean, it's a weird video, but it is better. It is much more better than what we found in Leonardo AI. I really think the video is better in this. And look at this, pixverse.ai is also written, plus we have functionality, like we can even write something. So yeah, the image generation is good as well. The only problem is like for free you get this, and you can just click on this and download. Yeah, just download. We have made the images and the videos. Now I have gone to CapCut, so you just basically install the CapCut app. Like, yeah, this is the application CapCut. And then what you have to do is here we have to like Control I, and you just get all the images. You just click and open, and you just import all the videos here. So I have just imported all the videos and just drag and drop here. Okay, I've already dragged and dropped them all. So yeah, let us see. Okay, just drag and drop all the videos here, and then drag and drop the audio as well. Let's see. Yeah, this is my audio which I generated from 11 labs. So yeah, now let's see.
The story of Ritesh Agarwal, from struggles to success. Today, we will talk about Ritesh Agarwal, who was born poor but had high dreams.
This video is like more than 1 minute, but we need it for the shorts, right? So we have to shorten this video. And how are we gonna do it? And this is kind of important as well, because there are a lot of breaks in the audio when we record it from 11 labs. So we just need to cut these breaks, these gaps. So just bring the pointer here, just zoom in a bit so it is more clear. Yeah, and here, and this one, this is split. Did I just split that as well? Okay, just select this one. Yeah, we need to select the audio, else the video will be split. So split, and it is empty till here, so split and backspace. Okay, so it deletes it, and again to another location. So okay, after this we will go to transitions, like transitions to place in between the videos. So I'll just choose the mix and just place it between two of the videos, and then you have to click apply to all. When you click apply to all, it will be applied to all, like I have already done it previously. So it has been applied to all. So now you can see the effect is like better, the transition is better. Okay, and next you have to do is go to captions. You do captions and then you have to click on generate. Okay, I have already generated, so you have to click on generate. It will automatically generate all the subtitles, you can see it. And after they have generated the subtitle, you like these all are already clicked. Okay, all the subtitles are already clicked, and then you can just format them. Like you can change the color, like I have changed the formatting to this one because it looks clear on all the white and black backgrounds. And then sometimes it can come error as well, but mostly in AI generated voiceover there is not much error, but you just have to check, and like if you just have to expand contrast, you just do it. Okay, so the subtitle is done and then transition is done. After that we can go to effects, or if you want to add any effects in the video. Okay, and then we can go to filters. So you can do like clear to, you can just add this filter. Okay, like it will just make it clear, or you can just try it on your own, and then you can just do it throughout the whole video. Okay, yeah, you can just do it throughout the whole video. So you can just zoom in and check the error, everything, and after that you can just export. You can even add audio as well. Okay, you can add audio, any background audio that you want to add, and after that just click on export and export. Okay, so that is it guys for this video. You can generate shorts easily using Leonardo AI. You can generate images using it. You can use chatgpt, 11 labs, and then so it is not much hard. You just need to try 1-2 times and it is easy. Like if you don't have the paid version of Leonardo AI, you can simply use the pixverse. The images generated by it is like it is better than Leonardo AI in my opinion. So you guys can just do it, and yeah. So if you guys want to watch the full video, then you guys can go to my channel Psychological Finance, and then you guys can see this Ritesh Agrawal Poverty to Success Research. You can just click on this video and watch the full video. So thank you so much for watching. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, bye.